This couple says that they were just being good parents, doing whatever they needed to do to stop their son's seizures, even if it meant breaking the law. Now they say they are determined to get their son back.
Matthew and Susanna Brill say they're just doing what any parents would do, trying to help their 15-year-old son David, who they say suffers from debilitating seizures several times a day.
We found a treatment that worked.
But that treatment is what got them in trouble. They allowed David to smoke marijuana.
I'm not a doctor, but from what I've read, I mean, yeah, there's a pretty good success rate.
The Brills say it worked for David. When he smoked marijuana, his seizures stopped for 71 days. But smoking marijuana is illegal in Georgia, and the sheriff in Twigg County says what they're doing is criminal.
It doesn't matter if I agree with the law or like it. It doesn't matter.
According to the sheriff's office, the Brills admitted they were supplying marijuana for David to smoke, and that Matthew said he smokes it first to make sure it was good. The parents were charged with reckless conduct, and the state's Division of Family and Children's Services took David away and placed him in a group home. The Brills say David's seizures returned.
He'll stare off into space 20, 30 seconds, up to 30 minutes, followed by really bad behavior. Fighting people, throwing desks, throwing books.
Scientific research has shown an ingredient found in marijuana can't have a positive effect on two rare forms of epilepsy, though the Brills have not said if David suffers from the neurological disorder. The jury is still out on whether smoking marijuana is an effective way to treat seizures. The sheriff says just because parents haven't found a legal medication that works, that's no excuse to use an illegal drug.
My next course of action would be I'm going to find another doctor and we're going to find some more medicine that's going to help my child.
The Brills say they've done that.
We've tried it all. Everything under the sun.
In the end, these parents say, it's all about David's welfare.
He has to live. He has to have a quality of life.
All we did was give this child his childhood back.
The Brills are now out on bail. No hearing has been set in their criminal case, but there will be a custody hearing in 2 weeks.